Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Kevin Murphy, and I am one of the instructors that will be teaching you all you need to know about Firebase and iOS. But I also have the pleasure of co-instructing this course with a colleague of mine, Hussein Al-Rube, who will walk you through the Android portions of this course. Have you wanted to take care of all your application backend responsibilities without having all the frustration that comes with it? Well, you've come to the right place. As the title suggests, this is a course that teaches Firebase solutions for both iOS and Android. So whatever your mobile backend solutions you're trying to learn, we've got you covered. The topics covered in class will teach you the fundamentals of Firebase integration, as well as offering you the ability to develop and grow your application and brand. There will be sample projects for you to work through that will cover important backend features like cloud messaging, authentication, database, and more. On behalf of Hussein and I, we hope to have you join us in getting your apps to the next level with ease. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks.